What's up, guys? So today's day 6 on the houseboat. Today we've been 5 days prepping, which is about what we figured. So today we start putting the base on, the white vinyl base. So we're gonna try to get that at least one side done today, maybe another side done tomorrow, and that'll be both sides, maybe the back and front in those also. So 2 days of wrapping the base, and then we got to move up top and start wrapping a crow's nest and all that. But Aaron's over here, Aaron and Elaine are finishing up getting the caulk off, cotton bottom, and we're going to start installing vinyl. Here we go. So Aaron is doing some prep work with alcohol, just cleaning everything for our final run.
While them two stand over there.
While we stand over here chit-chatting about shuttlecocks, badminton. Alright, so done for the day. We like 2 more pieces. Finish out this side, as you can see. And she look good. Difference in night and day right there. Yeah, man, looks good. So this is where the handrails go back on, so that'll be covered. Yeah, man. Looking like a new boat. Looking like a new boat. Try again. It's giving rain next couple days, so we'll see how it goes. See ya.